Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the chemistry class with our new topic, isotopes. So what are isotopes? Isotopes are atoms of a given element having same atomic number but different atomic masses. Students, same atomic number means number of protons, and different atomic masses means there must be difference in number of neutrons. So atoms of a given element that differ in the number of neutrons are basically isotopes. And when the number of neutrons is different, consequently the mass number would be different. Students, this is very important to remember that the different isotopes of same element differ only in the number of neutrons in the nucleus. Since the chemical properties of an element depends on the electrons in the shells or orbits, the isotopes of an element have the same chemical properties but they differ in physical properties. This is the review of atomic notation. X is the chemical symbol, atomic number Z is written as subscript, and atomic mass would be written as superscript on the left hand side. Now we will have example of chlorine. Chlorine element is composed of two kinds of chlorine atoms. These have masses 35 and 37. Both types of chlorine atoms have atomic number 17. As you can see, the number of proton plus charges are 17 in both, which means that each chlorine atom has 17 proton in the nucleus. The difference is only in the number of neutrons. So the chlorine 35 has 18 neutrons and chlorine 37 has 20 neutrons. They are denoted by writing the atomic number as a subscript and mass number as a superscript on the left hand side of a chemical symbol. Now let's take another example of hydrogen. Students, there are three isotopes of hydrogen. These are known as protium, deuterium and tritium. Protium has one proton, as you can see, and there is no neutron in the nucleus. Deuterium has one proton and one neutron in the nucleus, and tritium has one proton and two neutrons in the nucleus. So students, we can see the number of protons is same in all three isotopes of hydrogen, 1. So the atomic number would be 1 for all three, and the number of neutrons is increasing. So as the mass number is equal to sum of number of protons and number of neutrons, so the mass of protium would be 1, deuterium would be 2, and tritium would be 3. So having more neutron increases the mass number. So this slide shows the mass numbers of three isotopes of hydrogen. We can also write it in a tabular form. You can see hydrogen with atomic mass 1 would have 1 proton and 0 neutron. Hydrogen 2 would have 1 proton and 1 neutron. So the mass would be 2. Hydrogen 3 would have 1 proton and 2 neutrons. So its mass would be 3. You can also see that number of proton means atomic number is same in all three and number of neutron is different. That's why atomic mass is different. Similarly, we have three isotopes of carbon 12, 13 and 14. You can see the atomic number is same in all three, that is 6, and atomic mass is different, that is 12, 13 and 14. So we can have a look of number of proton and number of neutron in isotopes of carbon. Carbon 12 would have 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Carbon 13, 6 protons and 7 neutrons. So the mass would be 13. And carbon 14 would have 6 protons and 8 neutrons. Students, oxygen atom has also 3 isotopes having mass numbers 16, 17 and 18. It shows that these atoms contain 8, 9 and 10 neutrons respectively. Thus, there are 3 isotopes of oxygen which are given in the picture. oxygen 16, oxygen 17, and oxygen 18. Students, isotopes are used basically as a tracers in physical, chemical, and biological researchers, as well as in the treatments and diagnosis of different diseases like cancer. Students, the radioactive isotopes are easily detected. For example, isotopes of uranium. So it is relatively easy to trace their movements, even though it is a complicated system. I have written some practical applications of some of isotopes. So an isotope of uranium is used as a fuel in nuclear reactors. An isotope of cobalt is used in the treatment of cancer. An isotope of iodine is used in the treatment of goiter. With this, we are done with the topic isotopes. Meet you with the next video. Allah Hafiz.